How to change your username on your BeReal account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your username on BeReal. So to do that, first of all, open the BeReal application on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your BeReal account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on your profile picture which is in the top right corner of your screen. After that, tap on your name, your username or your profile picture. After that, you will be taken to the edit profile page where you can see the option full name, and just under it you can see the option username. So as you can see, this is my current username. So if you want to make changes to it, so for now I'll simply add the number 31 over here. Now once you've done that, once you tap on the option change username, your username will be successfully changed. But remember, your new username will be active only after you post your next BeReal notification. So since I just posted my BeReal couple of minutes ago, until I upload a new BeReal, my username will stay the same, which is this one right over here. And only after I post my new BeReal, my username will be changed to the one which I'm changing right now. So make sure you have that in mind. And once you've done that, let's simply cancel this and refresh our feed. As you can see, the username has been successfully changed. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.